how to retrieve deleted SMS on your phone. So if you want to retrieve deleted SMS on your phone, then what you need to do is first, you just need simply open up your SMS or your messages application. Once you open, you can go with your profile, which will be in the top right. From the profile, you need to scroll down, and here you may have an option of recycle bin or retrieve option. But if you don't find the recycle option, then what you can do is you can just simply go and retrieve from phone cloud backup. Make sure that you turn on the backup. So what you need to do is open up your settings at first. From the settings, you need to go with search, and under search, you need to search for backup. Once you've searched, you'll have backup and restore option. You need to tap on it and then select your mobile device, confirm your PIN, and turn on the option of contacts, call history, message history, access messages. You will have the option right here. So make sure that the options are turned on right here. Once you turn on the options, go with agree, which is on the bottom, and tap on backup, which is on the bottom, and start the backup. Once you've done with the backup, you'll be able to retrieve. But if you've not backed up any of your information, then you won't be able to retrieve. So once you've done your backup like a month ago or like a week ago, and if you want to retrieve now, then you can go with the restore option, which is here on the right side, and you will have all of your saved backups right here, and you'll be able to retrieve your deleted text messages. Or the second method is you can retrieve from Google backup. You can just open up your Google and then go with the profile, which is on the top right, and from the profile you need to tap on manage your Google account. Once you get this kind of interface, you need to scroll down, and here you will have an option of backup. You can go and turn on your Google backup. Make sure that the backup to Google Drive option is turned on, and you'll be able to retrieve your messages from your Google Drive. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.